Hello everyone, and welcome to a new weekly vlog. Happy Monday everyone! Starting off the vlog a little later than I planned to. I was pretty busy today. I had to call SiteGround about my blog, had to call H&M for my order, and then I needed to do a few things as well, like call for my parents. So I've been on the phone most of the afternoon, which wasn't really fun, but at least I got that taken care of. My dad cleaned out the storage room today and he found a few of my things, so I'm gonna organize that and find places for it. So that's on my to-do list today, as well as open up an Amazon package or a few Amazon packages. So I'll do that later, I promise. So here are a few things that my dad found. My old iPhone 8 Apple box. This was from last year's birthday gift from Sephora. My AirPods case and some Christmas pillows. So he found that. Over here is my Apple Pencil that I opened last week. So I'm going to put all my Apple boxes away where they belong. So I just pulled this out of the closet. This is where I store it. This was for my iPad, my iPhone 11. Ta-da! I have all the Apple boxes put away, so it's nice and organized and I know where everything is at. I've always kept my Apple boxes. I have the rest of them back in the Philippines. I didn't bring them with me. They're stored in my closet there. So my iPhone 4S, my iPhone 6, my iPhone X, and I believe my iPad Air 1. I still have that left over there. So these are my current boxes. Does anyone else keep their boxes like this? I always store mine and I just love keeping them. So yeah, they're nice and organized now, and I'm gonna put this back in the closet where it belongs. So as promised, I'm going to open some Amazon packages that I told you about earlier. I'm so excited for these. I waited so long for them. So I got my handy dandy pink scissors. I love saying that because of Blue's Clues. Remember the handy dandy notebook? So I always call these my handy dandy hot pink scissors. I don't know if you ever got that reference, but that is where I got that from. So let's just open up some packages, shall we? Ta-da! It is a bag. You know me and bags. That is so pretty. Oh, wow. So nice. It's coming up more orange, maybe because of the light, but it's a nice red color. Oh, it's so pretty. So I discovered this bag, I think a week before Valentine's Day, and I wanted it for my Valentine's Day lookbook, but I knew it wouldn't come in time, and I decided I'm just gonna wait off for it. So I put it on my wish list to get for the next month, and then I decided I don't really need that bag in the moment. And then I couldn't decide between the pink one and the red one because Valentine's Day was over. I wanted the red one for Valentine's Day, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I'll get a pink one because I love pink bags. And then I decided again, oh, it's okay. April came around, my birthday, and I was like, I should get it for my birthday. I'm gonna get the pink one for my birthday. It was out of stock. So May came around. I wasn't really buying much in May, and then finally I got the red one because of 4th of July, honestly, for a 4th of July look. But I don't have a red bag, so that's what convinced me even more, is to get a red bag. Because if you saw like my bag collection, I have a lot of colors, but red. As you can see, it's a designer dupe bag. It's like the Gucci B dupe or whatever it's called. That's what I've been calling it. But it's so pretty, and actually the quality is pretty good. It was, I think, $30, and yeah, it's stuffed nice. How's the latch? Oh, that's pretty good. So I'm just gonna leave it stuffed like this and display it on my dresser over there. Enough talking about this bag. You know, I can talk about bags for hours. So just wanted to unbox that and show it to you. Next up, we have a box. We got some batteries. So this is technically my dad's purchase. He needed some Energizer Ultimate Lithium rechargeable batteries, and then this is, oh, I know what this is. Oh, I'm so excited now. Ta-da! Oh, and it only comes with one case. I think you can tell what I bought. Yay! I got blue light glasses. So ever since I set up like this desk space, I wanted some blue light glasses, and I finally bit the bullet and bought some. So I got a 3-pack, which was originally $15, but there was a coupon for $5 off, so I got them for 10 bucks. So that's pretty good. 3 pairs of blue light glasses for 10 bucks. So let's test them out. That's what it looks like. I actually have never worn glasses before. I was meant to get glasses in elementary school because I have the thing where you can't see far away, whatever, nearsighted, farsighted, one of those. Do they suit me? I don't know. So these are the white pair or the clear pair, whatever you call it. Do I look smarter? These are nice and they're really clear. So hopefully these will help when I'm doing my computer work, since I'm sat at the computer editing a lot of the days. So those are the black pair. Cute. They look the same as the black pair a little bit. I have those to use now, and hopefully I can actually use them and I don't just like brush them off. So cross your fingers for me that I put them to use actually. I think this is going to be the last one I open today. So more batteries. These ones are AA and I got 12 of these. These were for him, and the glasses and the next thing were mine, so we could get like free shipping. So yeah, got a lot of rechargeable batteries now. This is going to be handy. Next is the only reason why I made this Amazon order, and it's because of this thing. So if you saw my Apple Pencil unboxing video, I mentioned that I wanted this for my new Apple Pencil. So it was out of stock for, I don't know, 1 or 2 months. And then the night I filmed the Apple Pencil unboxing, I checked one more time to see if it was, and they had one left. So I snagged it, but they do have a transparent one, a blue one, and a red one, but you know me in hot pink, so I had to get a hot pink version, and I looked everywhere on the internet for this color and I could not find one until I found this one. So I'm super excited that I have one now. As I'm filming this, I've only had my Apple Pencil I think 5 days, so I'm still not used to it. Maybe this will help me and I could like grip it better. Finally got it open. Struggled there for a bit with my long nails, but here it is. Let me see if it will fit. Good thing I have the Apple Pencil right here. So how do you go in? Oh, is it gonna block my name? Oh, it blocks my name a little bit. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, now let's adjust the pencil. Okay, okay. And I have my iPad right here. So let's see if it still works with the magnetic. Yeah, it still works. So yay, it has the pink case now and it matches everything else that I own. These are my AirPods and it's almost the same pink, like it's very close. Ooh, now I don't have to lose my AirPods and my Apple Pencil. Wait, this is the best idea I've had all day. Well, there you go. Everything's together now. I lost my AirPods once. That's why I bought a case for it. And then now I don't have to lose my Apple Pencil. That was my Amazon haul. I never used to be a person to shop on Amazon. Like I bought a few things here and there, but I've never like been the one to shop on there all that much. But ever since quarantine began, I bought so many things over there. Yeah, I will link everything I mentioned. The pencil is out of stock, but you never know, when this video goes up it might be. The rest I know are in stock. Even the pink version of the bag is back in stock. So yeah, I'm gonna stop babbling. Probably gonna go cook some dinner now, and I guess I'll just see ya later. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Kind of getting deja vu because last Tuesday I went out to Target. This Tuesday I'm heading to Smart & Final. We're gonna get some groceries, me and my dad. Here's a quick OOTD. So Target headband, this H&M top, some leggings, and I don't have shoes on. Really simple outfit. My bun is not cooperating today. So yeah, thought I would show you my outfit of the day. And I'm just gonna head out to go grocery shopping now. So we're done grocery shopping. We got a lot of stuff. Right, Yari? Yep. Hi guys, I'm back from Smart and Final. It's a little while later now. Put all the groceries away, cooked dinner, watched another episode of MacGyver on TV with my dad. And yeah, that has been my evening, but I came into my room to do some work on my laptop. But I did buy a iTunes gift card today. I use those instead of linking my credit card, because I usually forget that I link my credit card to things and then it just charges it up. So I don't know, I just use the gift card. I'm gonna load that up because in my Apple unboxing video I totally forgot to buy Good Notes, and I was going to do that. And I'm also looking at digital planners on Etsy right now. So I have a few of them here. These two are different, so ignore those, but that is like a lettering sheet. My mom always used to do these for her first grade students, and I even did it when I was in her first grade class, like to teach you how to write letters. I thought that was really cute that you can practice your lettering on the iPad. So these are all the ones that I'm looking at right now, but I think I decided to get this one. It's the cheapest one. It's only like $6. So I might get that as a digital planner because I really want to start bullet journaling and doing all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna do that, have my iPad up, and then add Good Notes, see how I'm liking it. That is my Tuesday night. I will update you on my digital planning life. But yeah, that is it for now, and I guess I'll talk to you whenever I pick up this camera. Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. So I filmed the video today, so that's why I did my makeup, didn't really do my hair. I put it up and I used that hair mascara. Hold on, it's in my desk. I wanted to share it with you. Let me see if I can find it. This hair mascara to like put my hair back, and it does work a little bit, but don't touch it afterwards because you'll get it all over your hands. I don't know which hand has it. I had to wash my hands a couple of times to get it off. You can see the aftermath of the haul that I just did. Even my bed over there has some boxes. Over here has some boxes. So I have some hand wipes, and I was watching Connor Maynard's new video. So yeah, that is what I'm up to at the moment. I still need to clean all this mess. Hello, it's a little while later now. So I just got done with my shower. I'm letting my hair air dry. It's almost done air drying. It's just underneath is a little bit wet. So I thought I would get onto my computer. I already edited this Friday's thumbnail, as well as like the little cards that go into the video. So I'm happy that I got that all done. I also organized the stuff from today, and I didn't mention I'm wearing my new, what do you call them, blue light glasses, so you can see the blue tint. I gave my dad the black ones and he left me with these leopard ones, and I have the clear ones. I'm using them. I'm trying to get used to it. I don't like wearing glasses. But I'm trying to get better at wearing them, so whenever I'm here at my desk I put them on, and I don't know if it's been helping. I mean, I guess it's been helping a little bit, but I can't really like tell yet. My neighbor also came over earlier at the front door. I ordered a custom face mask from her, me and my dad, so she dropped them off today, and it's just so cute. Look at it. So she let me pick the fabric and the patch, and of course I picked the hot pink bow. It's really cute. So now I have a custom face mask, and my dad has one that is red and that has an anchor, and I guess I'll just catch you up whenever I pick up the camera. Hi everyone, happy Thursday. So I'm gonna head out to Ralph's today to get my mom's birthday cake for tomorrow. So that is what I'm up to. So we're just gonna walk to it. It's not too far from here. Yes, how may I help you?
Is this big enough?
I don't know. Oh yeah, you're gonna wear your mask. We got our mask in yesterday. Do you like yours?
Hopefully it'll stay.
Oh, I have to find mine. Where's mine? Oh, mine's over here.
Take my picture.
Oh, it kind of matches my top a little bit. Okay. So, let's head out. Made pizzas for dinner. Yay! Hi Hey guys, it's editing me here. I just wanted to pop on at the end of the vlog to explain to you that this vlog was getting way too long, so I split it up. So you saw Monday through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be uploaded in a weekend in my life vlog on Tuesday like normal. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here, update you, and tell you why this vlog suddenly ended. There is more stuff, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed weekly vlog number 20. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!